Welcome to our deep dive into the world where science fiction is becoming reality. Imagine if Jurassic Park wasn't just a story. Well, Colossal Biosciences is aiming to do just that by bringing back extinct animals lost to the sands of time using some of the most advanced genetic tools on Earth. Let's jump right into one of their impressive projects, the dire wolf, or at least a genetic echo of it. In April 2025, Colossal unveiled 3 genetically modified canines named Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi. These aren't clones of dire wolves, but gray wolves genetically edited to express key physical traits of this extinct species. Through high-quality ancient DNA extracted from fossilized dire wolf remains, researchers compared these ancient blueprints to modern wolves and dogs. They identified over 20 key genes related to skeletal structure, body size, fur texture, and coloration. Here's where CRISPR technology comes in. Using the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing system, Colossal modified embryonic gray wolf DNA to include these ancient gene variants. The result? Animals with larger frames, lighter fur, and other phenotypic traits that match the dire wolf fossil record. But remember, these aren't perfect replicas. They're known as proxy species. It's more about recreating function and aesthetics than full resurrection. This marks the debut of reconstructing an extinct apex predator from the Pleistocene era using synthetic biology. In another groundbreaking experiment, Colossal has engineered mice to grow hair reminiscent of the woolly mammoth, an endeavor that's as crucial as it is adorable. Researchers focused on 7 specific genes from woolly mammoth DNA that influence hair growth, texture, and color, inserting them into the mouse genome. The outcome? Mice with long, wavy golden coats. This success story paves the way for transferring mammoth-like traits into living creatures. Why mice? Due to their rapid generation cycles and suitability as test models for studying how extinct genes function in today's genetic landscape. This is a significant milestone in developing a hybrid between the woolly mammoth and the Asian elephant, which share a vast majority of their DNA. Colossal aims to one day release these hybrids into Arctic regions to promote rewilding and climate change mitigation. Now, about the Tasmanian tiger, or Thylacine. This carnivorous marsupial vanished in the 1930s, but in 2024, Colossal achieved a breakthrough in its potential revival. Utilizing museum specimens, the team extracted long fragment DNA and RNA, an intricate task for tissue nearly a century old. By comparing these to the genome of the Thylacine's closest living relative, the fat-tailed dunnart, scientists assembled a high-quality sequence of the extinct species. Furthermore, they isolated messenger RNA, shedding light on how thylacine genes functioned historically. The plan includes using advanced cloning and surrogacy techniques to grow a thylacine embryo within a dunnart host, setting the stage for one of the most comprehensive attempts to revive a species. We exist in an era where the lines between impossible and possible are increasingly blurred. Colossal isn't just studying extinction, they're actively attempting to reverse it, genome by genome. But here lies the pivotal question. Just because it can be done, should it? These initiatives transcend science experiments. They're impacting living creatures with profound ethical, ecological, and environmental implications. Could reviving extinct species restore ecological balance, or might it disrupt today's fragile ecosystems? This is where you come in. Share your thoughts with us. Do the prospects of de-extinction excite or concern you? Should species like the dire wolf or thylacine roam the earth once more, or is this a frontier science has no business crossing? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the cutting edges of science.